Congratulations! You've done it! You've taken the first steps to save. Well done! So today, I'm going to be talking about 5 different things you can do to start saving money. Let's start with number 1. So, paying off debt is a really good way to start saving money. The interest you pay on any debts you have is usually higher than any money you're putting away in savings and earning interest on. So it makes sense to pay the debts off first, then put money into savings. You need to be frugal and start planning where your money's going to be going.
But how'd you do that, mate?
Great question. Here's tip number 2. When you get paid, make sure you pay yourself first, and that means paying either your debts or putting money into savings. Then put money into utilities and other bills you may have. And then finally, you can spend the rest on either spending money or wanting to buy things or anything like that. By making sure you pay into your spending or your debts first, you can guarantee that you're paying off a consistent amount each month.
But how do you know how much to pay yourself?
Great question. Here's tip number 3. Creating a budget spreadsheet allows you to understand exactly how much money you've got coming into your account and where that money is going to go. That way, you can work out how much money you've got spare for savings and debts and how much money you've got spare for going out. And so you can balance it and work out where the best sort of debt to spend ratio is. Or maybe you can set a target, like having enough savings for a mortgage.
You know you left the glasses on, and you didn't tell them to subscribe?
What glasses? And make sure you subscribe, guys. I really need the support. Here's tip number 4. So once you've created a budget spreadsheet, you need to understand how well you're sticking to it. That takes the shape of a tracker spreadsheet, which is the same as your budget spreadsheet, except you fill the numbers with your real expenditure. That way you can see how well you're sticking to the plan. I actually created a budget spreadsheet video somewhere around here. Just click on one of these links. What plan? That's a great question. Thank you for asking. Here's tip number 5. So, creating a plan is a really useful skill to have, and it's especially important when it comes to money management. You can create a plan for just about anything. Let's say you're going to go do some shopping. You can create a shopping list and make sure you only buy what's on the list and nothing more. So you won't be attracted by those for sale items or those sweets or chocolates that are on offer. Or let's say you're going out to a night out. Well, you can set a hard limit of £30 and make sure you don't spend past that £30 limit. That way, when you come back home and review your finances, you know that you won't have spent past your budgeted amount. It's a really simple but really effective way of starting to control your spending and saving money.
That actually makes sense, you know.
Of course it does. You said it.
Ooh, Inception.
That was a fail.